Hi everybody, I'm Chad Dunn and I want to officially welcome you to the Neighborhood Plumbing family. I just wanted to take a minute and explain to you guys why it is I do what I do and kind of where I'm coming from. My goal with all my customers is to teach them about their plumbing system, how it works, and how to maintain it, specifically hot water heating systems. The hot water heating system is kind of the main component of your plumbing system, and I spend a lot of time in people's houses dealing with issues with them. And it was getting frustrating because people didn't know how to maintain them or keep them running correctly. So I spent a lot of time in people's homes teaching them, but I just wasn't reaching a whole lot of people. So I decided, hey, we live in a digital age, why not make some videos and send them out through email to help people out. So that's kind of my goal here. I'm going to be sending out some more emails here in a couple days. I want you guys to check them out. They'll say part 2, how your hot water heating system is the main component of your plumbing. It'll be good stuff and it'll be very helpful for you. So thank you guys. Hope to see you soon.